Hello, I am Santanu Mishra from the Center of Automotive Research and Tribology here at IIT Delhi. We are pleased to announce the launching of our PG Diploma program on EV technologies. All the courses in this program are designed to introduce participants to practical issues, design related stuffs, and research gaps in the field of electric vehicles. You will be given sufficient practical projects during the course of this program to make the program enjoyable for you. There are several immersion meetings throughout the program where you will be invited to IIT Delhi to attend labs for your project and to interact live with your faculty members. The program provides exposure to different industrial problems in the EV domain and will be a good launching pad for you in case you decide to be an entrepreneur in this field. To be eligible for this program, you need a BTech degree in electrical sciences or allied field. Significant industrial experience in electrical sciences related field will be also considered. Aspirants with diploma in electrical sciences or related field will also be considered if they have at least 3 years of experience. Jaro Education is our service provider for admission to this program. By completing the program, you will also be a affiliated alumni of IIT Delhi. We look forward to seeing you in the program. Thank you.